So, some good news. The greenhouse is still standing, which I'm glad, because we've had quite bad winds lately and I was worried it was going to be all over the floor. Whiz this off. That's something our Wizard of Oz. So it is another lovely day at the plot today, and I have one plan, and that is to get my greenhouse cleaned. So I do have my jet wash, I do have a sponge, and I'm going to just crack on and get it done. Hopefully beat the rain. It is due to rain this afternoon, so I'm going to get on and I'll show you what I'm doing. So, I did just want to give this a little test first, just in case. This sponge looks like it has seen some things. Poor thing. That is not what I want to happen. Slipping glass. So I now have one clean greenhouse and she is looking very nice. Obviously there are some patches which are on the glass, which I believe will come off in time. Now she's looking good. I can see through her now and I'm looking forward to getting stuff planted. I have noticed as well, I do have all the flowers coming on my broad beans. They're not as tall as last year, but these were different types, so hopefully soon, as well as these, they'll start giving me some nice beans. I noticed my grapes have started to grow back, which I am pleased with, and also my kiwi. Now this was kept inside for the entire of last year, so I thought this had died, but as you can see, I have new leaves, new growth, so hopefully outside this will do a lot better and hopefully scramble across this or this way, like I said in a previous video, maybe a smaller archway here just for the kiwi. Well, I've nipped down here quite quickly because we've got quite a lot of wind and I'm panicking in case this lifts and smashes everywhere. So I do have on the floor 3 slabs that I think I'm going to put on the corners. I might even have a 4th slab somewhere else. But I'm trying to think. I don't think there's anywhere that I can actually rest a slab. Yeah, I'll have a look and I'll see what I can do. I do not have anything I can rest the slabs on, so I thought with these spare bits of wood I could possibly make some pegs and then cable tie these down rods to the wood. That's the plan for now anyway. Right. Like that. This side first. So obviously this is not a permanent fix or a quick kind of solution to maybe give me some kind of protection until I can get proper anchors for this. These are just reusable garden ties. Again, probably not very strong, but it's better than having nothing at all. At least it will keep the frame in the ground, hopefully. I don't think we're going to have winds that are going to whiz this off like some of our Wizard of Oz, but it's something and better than nothing. On one side. I may even rest 2 slabs at the back. So for now, they are in the ground quite deep. There's 3 of these and they are cable tied. Is it the strongest method? Absolutely not. A couple of slabs just to weight down, but hopefully over the next week or 2 I can get some proper anchors in here and stop it from blowing away, which is the plan. Well, that's me done for the day. Today is just a quick video. I'm only here to get the greenhouse cleaned and have done some weeding around the place just to keep on top of it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my video. Hopefully looking forward to getting the greenhouse planted as much as I am. Enjoy your weekend and I will see you in the next one.